Parallel parking on a crowded city street is officially every driver's worst nightmare. The traffic builds up behind you, drivers start honking, and the panic of scraping your rims against the curb or hitting another car hits instantly. However, you don't need years of driving experience or good luck to get it right every single time. There is an exact mathematical formula based on 3 visual reference points that lets you fit your car into any spot on the first try. Today, you're learning that method step by step. The first mistake most people make is rushing. Before making any maneuver, activate your turn signal toward the side of the parking space. This signals the driver behind you that you're stopping and gives them time to back off. Pull up slowly and position your car next to the vehicle parked in front of the empty space. Maintain a side distance of about 2 to 2.5 feet. Stop your vehicle the exact second your rear bumper aligns with the rear bumper of the car next to you. If both vehicles are similar in size, you can also align the 2 side mirrors as your guide. Once stopped, shift into reverse. With your car stopped and in reverse, turn your steering wheel all the way toward the curb. Before moving, take a quick look around to make sure no pedestrians or cyclists are coming. Start backing up very slowly and under control. Your focus should now be on the side mirror opposite the curb. Continue reversing until you can see the entire front of the car parked behind you in that mirror, including both of its headlights. At that precise moment, your vehicle will have reached an exact 45-degree angle to the street. Stop immediately. Now that you're at the perfect angle, straighten your steering wheel, keeping your wheels completely straight. Start backing up in a straight line slowly. There are 2 simple ways to know when to stop. The first is looking at your front windshield. When the rear corner of the front car aligns with the front of your car, it's time to stop. The second option is lowering your right side mirror to watch the rear tire. When it's about 12 inches from the curb, stop the car. At this point, turn your steering wheel all the way in the opposite direction, toward the street. Continue backing up slowly while watching your backup camera or the space remaining behind you. You'll see the front of your vehicle glide smoothly into the spot without any risk of touching the front car. Once parallel to the curb, stop. Shift into drive, straighten your wheels and pull forward a few inches until your vehicle sits perfectly centered in the space. Leaving an equal cushion of space in front and behind makes leaving stress-free for you and gives the other driver room to maneuver. Before turning off the engine, make sure your wheels are between 6 and 12 inches from the curb. To guarantee a perfect park every time, avoid the 2 most common errors: backing up too fast without feathering your brakes and forgetting to set your initial alignment. If you consistently apply these 3 reference points, parallel parking will stop being a source of stress and become automatic and easy. If this explanation was helpful to you, give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel for more strategic driving tutorials and leave us a comment on which maneuver gives you the hardest time.